everyone, it's Amber here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into affiliate marketing. What is it? How it works, and why it might just be the key to getting out of your 9-to-5 job and finally making money online. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom, then stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. And as always, I've got a free gift for you at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Who am I? So for those of you that are new here, my name is Amber, and I've been exactly where you are. I was working a corporate job that I hated, constantly looking for ways to build a second stream of income that would give me the freedom to work for myself. I tried real estate, I invested in tons of online courses, and I spent so much time trying to find the right path. But nothing worked for me until I found affiliate marketing. Now, I'm giving my honest review on different programs out there so you don't have to spend countless hours and money on courses that might not work. I've been through the trial and error, and I want to help you find the right path to making money online without wasting your time or hard-earned cash. So, what is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a simple concept, but it's incredibly powerful. You don't need to create your own products, which take time, money, and energy. Handle customer service, someone else does all that for you. Hold inventory or deal with shipping. All you do is promote the product, drive traffic to the offer, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. How does affiliate marketing work? So here's a quick breakdown on how the process works. So first of all, you join an affiliate program. So first you sign up to be an affiliate for a company or product that you believe in. There are tons of affiliate programs out there like Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale, Target, TikTok, and so many more out there. 2, get your unique affiliate link. Once you're approved, you'll get a special link that tracks any sales you generate. 3, promote the product. This is where the magic happens. You can promote the product through your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even paid ads. The key is to reach people who are already interested in what you're promoting. And 4, earn commission. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of that sale. The amount varies depending on the program, but it can be anywhere from a few dollars to thousands for high-ticket offers. So let's get into the good. One of the best ways to make money online, and here's why. 1, low startup costs. Unlike starting a traditional business where you need a lot of upfront investment, affiliate marketing requires very little to get started. All you really need is a laptop, an internet connection, and some time. You don't have to spend money creating products, dealing with inventory, or paying for customer support. 2, flexibility. You can do this part-time or full-time. You get to work from anywhere in the world, and you set your own schedule. Whether you're looking to do affiliate marketing alongside a full-time job or turn it into your main source of income, it's completely flexible. 3, passive income potential. Now, this is a big one. Once you've put in the work to build up traffic and promote your affiliate link, you can earn passive income. That means you can make money even while you sleep or take time off. Of course, it takes some time to get to this point, but the potential for passive income is real. And 4, scalability. There's no limit to how much you can earn with affiliate marketing. Once you've mastered promoting a product, you can scale by promoting more products, branching out into different niches, or increasing your traffic. The sky is the limit. Sounds great, right? But now let's talk about the not so good parts. The bad. So affiliate marketing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. So here's what you need to be aware of. Number 1, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Let's be real. Affiliate marketing takes time. You won't start making money overnight. It requires you to build an audience, gain trust, and learn how to effectively promote products. If you're looking for a quick fix, affiliate marketing just isn't it. 2, competition. The affiliate marketing space is competitive. Thousands of other people are promoting the same products, which means you need to find a way to stand out. This often means putting in extra work to provide value through content, whether it's a blog post, videos, or social media. 3, income fluctuation. Your income can be inconsistent at times. Since you're relying on sales, there might be months where you make a little bit of money and others where you make little to none. It can be unpredictable, especially in the beginning. 4, learning curve. While affiliate marketing isn't complicated, it does have a learning curve. You'll need to learn about SEO, content creation, social media strategies, and how to effectively promote your links. It can feel overwhelming when you're first starting out. So, how do you get started? So, if you're ready to take the first step, here's what I recommend. 1, choose your niche. 2, sign up for an affiliate program. 3, start building your platform. And 4, promote consistently is key. So let's get into the free gift. So to help you guys get started, I've put together a free online course that walks you through the basics of affiliate marketing, how to choose the right product, how to promote them effectively, and how to start earning commission. You can grab it by clicking the link in the pinned comment below. So, final thoughts here. Affiliate marketing can change your life. I truly believe that. If you're serious about escaping the 9-to-5 grind and creating financial freedom for yourself, then this is the path for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Amber, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online and achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to check out the free course in the link below to get started on your own affiliate marketing journey.